Why have a power of attorney? Why get a POA? Because it's so important. If something were to happen to your mom or dad, then someone will be able to make decisions for them. It's put in place, it's a legal binding document because mom or dad chose someone to take care of their business. And that could be financial, that could be medical, it could be anything they need taken care of. That person, that is their power of attorney, can take care of that for them. And it's so important to do that as soon as possible before anything happens. And one of the main reasons is, let's say something were to happen and you're caught off guard, you don't know what they want, you don't know how to move forward. It's just not a good time. When you're in crisis, that's just not the time to be trying to make potentially life-altering decisions for your parent. Maybe you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't even know what they want. So getting a POA as soon as possible, you got to do it. Mom, dad, if you're out there listening and you don't have one, you need to do that for your kids. And the kids, if they haven't, you need to talk to them about it. So grateful I had a power of attorney for my mom and dad, and I waited, and I'd been in healthcare for 15 years, and we almost waited a little too long for my dad, but when I realized, oh my gosh, I need a POA, and we did one for my mom as well. So don't be caught off guard. Do it as soon as you can. And I will tell you, because if they become incapacitated, you can forget it. You are not going to be able to get a power of attorney. Just the normal way, finding an attorney, having them, drop the documents, going over it, signing everything, having it notarized. The typical way, if you get one early, which is what I did with my mom and dad, you will not be able to do that if something happens and they're cognitively unfit. They can't make decisions anymore. So that would be out the door. That is a big reason to do it early. It's also will save you a lot of money and frustration if you have to go through the court system to try and gain guardianship if something were to happen and you don't have that POA in place. So let me know in the comments, do you have a POA? If you are a parent, have you chosen that person to make sure your wishes are met? And if you're a child, have you had these conversations with your parents? Drop it in the comments and let me know. I've created a document, everything you need to know about all the types of POAs that are available. If you're interested, just put POA in the comment section. I'll reach out and get that to you. And we will see you in the next one.